Hi, my name is Michael Stevens. I'm one of 3 owners of a company near Seattle, Washington that's called NeuroFitness. At NeuroFitness we manufacture a product called the CES Ultra. The CES Ultra is sold as a medical device in the United States. We fall under the regulation of the Food and Drug Administration, and the most commonly used purpose of the CES Ultra is to help people to sleep, people suffering from insomnia and related conditions such as anxiety and depression. CES stands for Cranial Electrotherapy Stimulation, and it is a drug-free modality for helping people to sleep or relieve depression and anxiety. There are no known contraindications from using CES devices. They've been around since the early 50s. They were invented by the Russians. They called them electrosleep back in the 50s. And to show you how easy it is to use, I'm going to give you a little demonstration here today. This is the CES Ultra. It's a small handheld unit. It comes in this kit, sort of a little carrying case. All the parts and accessories that you need are in the kit when you receive it. The handheld unit itself has a 9-volt battery, which I've previously installed into the bottom of the unit. It comes with lead wires, or with what we call lead wires, which are simply wires that have a plug on one end, which plugs into the top of the unit, and 2 male plugs on the other end of the wire, which go into the back side of what we call the ear clips. Once you have the ear clips onto the lead wire, there's a small bottle which comes in your kit. You fill it with tap water and add a pinch of salt. The salt in the water helps to transmit electricity. You just put a small drop of the saline solution on the rubber pad on each ear clip. Like that, and then 1 ear clip on each earlobe, just in the same place you would put earrings if you were putting earrings on. Once you have the ear clips on your ears, turn the machine on. There's a single knob on the top of the unit. When you turn the unit on, it's automatically set for 30 minutes, which is standard protocol, once a day. Generally an hour before you go to bed is best. There are 2 other timing selections as well. There's a small black button here. If you push it, it will move from 30 minutes to 45. If you push it again, it will go to continuous. Then turn the knob on the top, turn it to the right until you can feel the tingling on your earlobes from the electrical impulse. If you like the way that feels, you can turn it up as high as you'd like. It won't hurt you. I personally don't care for the feeling. Some people do, some people don't. So I like to turn it up to where I can feel it and then just back it off a little bit. It works whether I can feel it or not, as long as I do not turn it all the way off. When you turn the unit on, it's automatically set for 30 minutes, which is standard protocol, once a day. Generally an hour before you go to bed is best. Some people will use it twice a day, once mid-morning and once again prior to going to bed, and that seems to work out well for folks who just need a little more. The best times to use this are sitting still, or if you have the opportunity and the time to just lay down for 30 minutes and just close your eyes and let the unit do its work. It works best under those conditions. At the end of 30 minutes, the CES Ultra will turn itself off. At that point, turn the knob back to the left until it clicks, unplug your lead wire, remove from your ears, and back into the kit everything goes. One of the most common phone calls we get at NeuroFitness are from people who are calling in stating that they're only sleeping 2 or 3 hours at a time and they awaken and have difficulty going back to sleep. After about 5 days, you should find yourself sleeping 3 to 4 hours at a time. Over a period of 2 weeks, 5 to 6 hours at a time. And in general, in 30 days, most people report that they are sleeping through the night and enjoying their lives much, much more. So thank you and sweet dreams.